guys, hey everyone, hey people. So actually I've made for you many videos with several website builders, and today I definitely can say that Wix is one of the coolest website builders, really, because this service is very cool for novices. You don't need to spend a lot of time learning how to work with the editor, and the interface, and actually all looks very easy in use. So this video is gonna be about the Wix. So don't hesitate to watch this video episode. I'm waiting for your likes, shares, comments, opinions as always. And actually, let's continue. So first of all, you need to design an account. After you just design an account, you need to actually understand what kind of a website do you want to create. So actually, for example, I would like to create an online store. And actually we need to choose with what we will create our website, with the help of the ADI or actually with the editor. To be honest, ADI is really cool thing for you if you don't want to control everything, and with the help of the ADI, you just need to actually answer just a few questions, and ADI will make this website for you. But you don't have the opportunity to control each detail. So that's why I prefer to work only with the editor, because editor actually it's better, because for me, first of all, it's interesting to build a website builder, to build a website on this website builder service. And the second one, you can control everything, and you may add some images, widgets. So actually you are in the process, you are involved in the process. So I will choose the template and we will start to work with. So right here we have many templates, and actually the templates are a source of pride for Wix, because it has more than 500 layouts, the different types of sites made by professionals, inserting videos to the background of the page. It may have a 3D effect, on photo bags and image editors. So to find faults with the external performance can only be for those who sincerely actually hate Wix and fundamentally do not want to admit that actually this builder really allows you to create a great website. And we can observe that here we have many cool templates, modern, up-to-date, with beautiful content. And let's check some of these templates. So let's check online goods store. Let's check the preview. First of all, we have a short widget, short video, which shows us how it looks like. But for me, it's not enough as always, and I want to watch a full demo. So basically that is what we got on the desktop, and actually it's really nice. We have the positions, we have actually all the cool sections which should be in an online store. I would say footer, header, actually main body, so everything is really nice right here. CTA, so cool. I would say that on Wix we have two versions. So this is the adaptive version, this is the version for actually the mobile phone. So let's actually check it one more time. Okay, we just need a few seconds. So basically that is what you get. For example, if you don't like this template, it's not a problem. We may start to observe the other one. Or if you like this template, you have the opportunity to click directly to this bottom, edit this site, and you will edit this site directly. But it's not enough. To be honest, I would love to show you the other templates. Well, as it was actually a store for home goods, I would say, let's check face mask shop, what we will got. Okay, so let's check view. So basically that is how it looks like, and let's check a full demo. So to be honest, that's why I adore Wix, because it has beautiful content, really modern websites, modern templates, and even you can just use images from the Wix, and that it's really nice. And first of all, I would say that versatility in Wix is that component, I would say one of the important components, major components. Yeah, because in Wix you can create a business card, blog, online store. It has simple visual editor. Yeah, the best description for it's intuitive. I would say, because this means that you don't need to have a preparation. Yeah, there is actually no preparation is required to master the editor. All elements can be easily edited and decided with of course your mouse. Yep, and we will work with the editor, but not with this template. I would like to show you and continue the other templates what we got on Wix. So as it was a face mask shop, let's check natural soap candle shop. So actually all the same. We have a widget, a short widget, and let's check a view full demo. Yep. And I would say that, you know, the builder will help you create a website using intelligent Wix ADI system if you don't want to work with the editor. Yep. Based on the information provided by the user, it suggests a layout. So you just need to answer a few simple questions and confirm, I would say, the correctness of the information. On that, artificial intelligence, this ADI, will actually detect or on its own. Yeah. So basically, that is how you can work with this ADI. Yep. And actually, the responsive layout can be edited like any other template. So the difference that it will initially be created for your company, that is the number of changes that need to be made, will greatly decrease. And this is while I was telling you about the ADI, I was showing you actually this editor, well, not editor, this template, and that is how it looks like for actually the mobile for mobile devices here. Yep. By the way, you have a video episode. Yep, and it's really gorgeous, up to date. That's what the content is really tasty, and to be honest, I would love to eat it. So let's continue. I would say the last template that we will observe today, it will be a plant boutique. Yeah. Actually, let's watch a full demo. So this store doesn't have actually so much sections, and all the same, actually pictures are really gorgeous, modern, and that's why I would love to work with Wix. And for me, visual content is actually the major part of actually a websites. Yeah. So basically, that is how it will look like on mobile devices. But we just need to wait a few seconds. Okay, so here we got it. So basically that it's downloading, but that is how it looked like on your iPhones, for example. Yeah. Okay, so I guess we will start from this template and clicking directly to the edit this side to this bottom, we will start our journey in the editor. So here we actually will create our masterpiece, our art, I would say. Yeah, here is the magic begins, I would say. So basically on the left side we have cool tools. So basically this is the menu section. Yeah. So we can switch right here. Yeah, what version will be the desktop or for a mobile version. Yep. So actually, I would say that working with the editor is very simple right here, because clicking directly to each element, we can actually change it. For example, I just click directly to the heading, I would say. Yep, and we have button of changing actually the text or get some text ideas. Yep. So I'm clicking directly to the edit text. We have pickles and coal. So what we got? Here we have text settings. So basically I may change a theme. So it may be just look like this one, or maybe it will Fonts, let it be with this one, or I don't like it. Let's change it to Georgia. Oh, cool. Yep. And let's make it, yep. No. I don't want to do this one. Okay. Okay, let it be this one. And the last what I would like to add is just to change the size, I would say. So basically you see that it's very simple to work directly with each element on the editor right here. For example, clicking directly to the bottom, we can change the text, layout, or even a design. As my lovely part is to change the design, so we will do the same. We will change it to the design, and it may look like this one or this one, but to be honest, what about this one? Okay. It is that I would like to. So I just want to make it transparent, but I would like to change a text. Yeah, but okay. But to be honest, we don't see this bottom because you know it's transparent. Okay, what if we do it in this way? Or this. Oh, cool. So shop now, yeah, and that should be in this way. So basically that is how you can work with almost each element. Here you have a sections. Yep, you can delete some sections, add, for example, I just click directly to this element and we can manage columns. Yep, so let's manage columns, and I would say here we have some tips for us. Change column background. Let's change column background and let's, okay, what if it will be pink or this way? Okay, none. Or you can maybe make this one, yeah. Or we can take the image, for example, yeah. Or we can only or we can delete even this section, for example. But I would love to find some other plans. Yeah, okay. And for example, you see that I've changed actually this image into the another one. If you have your personal products, you will upload pictures of your products directly right here with the help of this editor. So basically clicking directly to this to each element, you can actually change everything. Yep. And the last part, what I would love to tell you, this is the extra information about Wix pricing. So you can work with Wix for free. Yep. It means what? That you will create, for example, a website but with Wix ads. So, and of course, your own domain name, it's not included in this free plan, and that is for free. For $5, you can connect your own domain with your Wix site. So actually, your site will still shine with actually Wix ads, but you know, this plan is not available in all the countries, so you need to check this information. The plan combo, yep, is ideal for a smaller professional website, so there will be no ads and plenty of storage, and it's unlimited for $14. For $18, it should be like, you know, the right plan if you need to make a lot of web space, up to 10 gigabytes, yep, included. And the last one, best plan, it's just like VIP plan, it may be about $25. That will be a full package of everything, I would say. So guys, actually this is the end for today. I really do hope that my video is my videos are useful for you, especially for novices. I'm waiting for your personal opinion, what you think about my videos, and not only my videos. I'm waiting for your opinions about Wix. Have you tested this website builder service or not? Or maybe your website builder service is the other thing which you actually may recommend me. Yeah, thank you for your attention, and we will see each other in the other video episode. Wish you good luck and bye.